Everyone, this is Usma. Today I'll be discussing my project named is PulseCheck Autonomous Laptop Health Monitor and Self-Healing Agent. Let's discuss the problem first. The problem is laptops degrade over time from missing drivers, backdrop service crashes, and storage bloat. And fixing these issues requires deep technical knowledge of PowerShell, event logs, and registry. Or we can say that an efficient IT administrator would only done this job. Otherwise, a minor unaddressed issue snowball into severe performance drops, crashes, and hardware failure. Luckily, we do have software, but unfortunately, those only monitors the problem. Softwares would only tell you something is broken, but leaves the fix to you. So the solution is autonomous diagnostic and self-healing agent that not only proactively monitors, queries the native windows to evaluate hardware, monitor memory, storage, and networking. It will also enable maps and diagnosed failures to automated PowerShells, remediation scripts, healing the system without even the user intervention. What is most interesting is it will remember the past failures and is scheduled to prevent infinite repair loops and ensure system stability. The loops, the schedules could be daily, monthly, or even weekly. The most important question rises, how do we can ensure an autonomous agent does not break the computer? Where do we have a sensitive files and sensitive work? So for that we have guardrail engine. Number first, the agent is going to stratify the risk. Either for actions are classified as low, medium, or high risk. In case of high risk, actions require explicit user approval. Number second, strict blocking. The agent is hard coded to reject destructive commands such as deleting user documents or disabling Windows Defender. It could also emergency halt that actively monitors disk smart status. If physical hardware failure is imminent, intense repairs are halted to prevent data loss. Every action, decision, and outcome is permanently logged in a secure markdown file known as audit_log that is going to remember all the scheduled actions. The architecture of this agent is it has 5 steps. Number first, it is going to be triggered by manual through a manual dashboard click that wakes the orchestrator, or it going to schedule a task. Number second, after a trigger, it is going to diagnose the problem by injecting queries into PowerShell to read device status and event logs. After diagnosing, it's going to evaluate. The guardrails engine scores system health from 0 to 100 and flags required repairs. After evaluating, it's going to execute the action. The Python to PowerShell bridge runs the specific remediation, such as installing the drivers or even restarting a service. Finally, the dashboard updates in real time and audit logger records the outcomes. This is the GitHub file where there is a complete pipeline and workflow of an autonomous laptop health monitor. An agent here in Markdown files, skills are mentioned, specific guardrails are enclosed, what tools are used, and from assets, dashboard to even test files. So this is the README file of the laptop health monitor agent, how it's going to be installed and deployed, all the paths, and this is the dashboard of an agent. If I'm going, it will scores the CPU core, memory, drive storage, from hardware driver to system integrity, all is ensured. With the scan now, it's going to scan my laptop. It will take some time, and after a few seconds it's going to update all the triggered actions. Currently system is performing excellent, system is optimized and running smoothly. It scores CPU core, memory, device storage, all. Here there is, in hardware devices there is a field devices, and it's going to indicate it in the form of numbers. And system integrity, it's showing the overall status that is healthy, and security defender that is active. So this was all it. Thank you.